Get salon-quality nails with these 6 easy steps. Welcome to this easy tutorial on how to do your nails like a pro. With these 6 simple steps, you can achieve salon-quality nails from the comfort of your own home. Step 1. Start by removing any old nail polish with a nail polish remover. Be sure to use a cotton ball or pad to avoid any mess. Step 2. Then, file your nails to your desired shape. Whether you prefer square or rounded nails, a nail file will help you achieve the perfect shape. Step 3. Soak your fingers in warm, soapy water to soften your cuticles. This will make the next step easier. Step 4. Push your cuticles back with a cuticle pusher. Be gentle and careful not to cut or hurt yourself. Step 5. Apply a base coat to your nails to protect them from any harsh chemicals in the nail polish. Then, apply 2 coats of your favorite nail polish color. Let it dry before applying a second coat. Step 6. Finally, apply a top coat to help your nail polish last longer and give it a shiny finish. And there you have it. 6 easy steps to achieve salon-quality nails in the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks.